Hello friends. The trips of the hippies are always associated with nature and freedom. Each of their trips always has a car Ven, a companion. A meaningful rock is hand-painted Ven car symbol for the hippies. Every time you look at a rock, you will see the soul of the hippies. This is a great gift for the hippies and travel lovers. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share.